Can you believe it's been 5 years since I got my Sisterlocks installed? It feels like a lifetime ago, but then it feels like yesterday at the same time. And it's been so much that has happened that many of you have been here the entire time. You've seen my installation videos, postpartum shedding, my alopecia diagnosis, and now where I am today. But behind all of these beautiful locks, there is still a story that I have not shared. As my locks grow longer and stronger and I get further out from my most recent alopecia flare, finding comfort in the joy has been one of the biggest struggles that I have had. Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Joy Speaks Love. This is a huge, big day because today we are celebrating my 5-year Sisterlock Lockiversary. You can't believe it, neither can I. But we're here. I would love a little cheer in the comments. Hype your sister up, I'd appreciate it. So grab a cup of tea and settle in because this is going to be a heart to heart. My scalp decided that it wanted to throw a major party and I was not invited. I mean, the symptoms that I had gotten used to, these symptoms, these post-COVID symptoms, were completely different than anything I had experienced. This flare-up was so aggressive that it felt like it was undoing a lot of the progress that I had made with my dermatologist over the past several years. And that's what really freaked me out. It was frustrating, it was heartbreaking, and it kind of made me feel like, I don't know, maybe I might want to call it quits and give up my Sisterlocks journey. Now, for someone who puts as much love and care into their hair as I do, and as you all know I do, this whole experience has felt like a big punch in the face. It's been really challenging, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally at the same time. After feeling helpless for about a month, I decided that I needed professional intervention. I got the earliest appointment I could to talk to my dermatologist. She made the decision to put me on scalp shots immediately. And it was a first session I had, and then I had a round of scalp shots once a month for about 6 months. So if you are going through this journey as I am, please know that you are not alone. You are not the only one. And I know it's scary. And I know you don't know the future, neither do I, but we have to keep trying and we have to keep fighting. We do. And now we're here. We've gone through that scary battle. My flare has calmed down and my locks, they are thriving. I'm so excited. Still see, my top of my hair where I have my biggest battle, where I'm always fighting, always trying to make sure that it stays healthy up there. But I mean, look at my hair. If I could brag for a little bit, 5 years of work. I can't take credit for my loctician's work. I mean, look, these are Sisterlocks. I'm not maintaining them, but taking care of them at home. It's all kind of led up to this moment. I get compliments almost every day. And I've said before on the channel how they catch me off guard. I'm not really looking for them. But I appreciate that so many people see the beauty in natural hair because our natural hair is beautiful. So this is really what I dreamed of when I started my journey 5 years ago. I didn't envision the ups and the downs, but I have stayed focused, and to be where I am 5 years in makes me very grateful. Sometimes I feel scared to kind of get comfortable and scared to embrace where I am now. What if things change? What if I have another flare up? And it kind of makes me feel like I can't relax. And I have been having a hard time ridding myself of those thoughts and emotions, but that's where I am. It's like I'm waiting for the other shoe to drop, and that's exhausting. If I could figure out a way to put that feeling away in 2026 and just maintain the status quo of this, that would be enough of a goal for this year for me when it comes to my hair. Do you ever feel like you have a hard time leaning into success because you don't know how long it's going to last? If you do feel that way, I'd be curious to hear more about it in the comments. So it really is a mental adjustment, just kind of settling in where I am now, trusting the process, continuing to work with my dermatologist and just staying on top of my symptoms every day and my own personal health just to try to keep my CCCA here. It's a process, but I am working it every day. It's really at the end of the day, it's just a daily practice of choosing gratitude over anxiety. And that's what I'm working on. So where do we go from here? On a little bit of a break or pause from my dermatologist because she felt that she didn't need to see me for a few months. But I do have an appointment coming up, and so I'll be able to check in and see how things are going. The appointment I had with her, my last scalp session, she had an intern with her, which I had agreed for him to observing my scalp. So since I was a good example of CCCA for him to see since he's new, was looking at my scalp and explaining my scalp to him. So she was like, you can see the scarring right here. You can see this. And she showed him around a little bit. She was like, but this is a great case. Her CCCA is stable. I forgot the medically terms that she used. I may have wrote them down, but basically she said that my scalp was stable. So that was kind of a really cool full circle moment for me. So this year, I just want to focus on the joy, right? Unintended. I couldn't resist it. I'm sorry. And my actual real nickname, but not just my name, but joy, the emotion, actually just focusing on trying to maximize that and minimize some of the other emotions that I have struggled with recently on my hair journey. This season is really about celebrating growth, not just in my hair, but in my heart. So thank you for celebrating with me and allowing me to be vulnerable. I always appreciate you all in the comments that you leave. It means a lot to me. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe for more content on Sisterlocks, alopecia, and beauty. We're finding our confidence over here. Don't forget to share your own experiences below. No matter what journey you're on, please know that you are loved, you are strong, and you are beautiful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.